Alright guys, this is just a quick video here. I got this new tank. It's actually a 23 CI tank, and I got this 4500 PSI tank. Comes with a 45. Well, it didn't come with the regular. I bought the regular separate, but yeah, it's stamped in here 310 bar. So that's about 4,500, 4,600, 4,500 PSI. It says in the description, there's a guy actually, in one of the reviews, he says he uses it for his Umarex hammer, or his, what is it, the gauntlet? One of the two. He uses it for his PCB, Umarex gun. But yeah, I got it filled up here now to about, we're right at about 4,400 PSI. Something like that. But yeah, it's just, it's actually, because it's 4,500 PSI, here's your average 13. This is your 13 CI tank. Here, hold on. I'll show you the difference here. Here's a pepper ball tank, and this is a Pro Toys 1100 PSI tank. These are 13 CI tanks, and that is the 23 CI tank. It's got about that much difference, minus 3 CI cubic inch. And then the difference will make up for that with the 4,500 PSI versus 3,000 PSI, sorry, on these two. This is an 800 PSI output regulator. This is an 800 PSI as well. This is 1100. But yeah, basically, I got double the shots as these. So, I'm basically, we're at 23 CI, so 13 and 13 is 26. But because it's 3,000 PSI, this is 23. With the 4,500 PSI, that'll probably put us over 26 CI. But anyways, all in all, it doubles my shot, so no need for the double tank builds no more. I can just stick one of these on, and yeah, where I got it mounted on the side, they're not long, so I don't have to put it in the buttstock area. I'll show you on a couple markers here. Okay, so here we go. We got the M17. And yeah, we'll just screw it in. There, it's nice and solid. Yeah, you guys can see. And then, where is it here? We have our drum mag. It's our 60 round drum. And then, yeah, there we have it, guys. That's the M17. Nice and short. I have only tested this now. This has got the full Home Defense 24 kit. And I'm just going to pop this drum out. But this has the whole Home Defense 24 kit. It's an actual EMF. No, not an EMF, sorry. An M14 EBR replica kit. It's a printed kit from MagFed Maker. We got a CQR grip on here from Hera Arms. We got a Fab Defense grip, finger grip. Really comfortable. We got two EOTech EOFake scopes and a PEC box. Yeah, and it's just those basic fittings I've shown in the past. It's the 1/8 MPT. We got a degasser on here as well. So just turn that to degas the marker. instead of dry firing the air out. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this. We just got double the air now, so we're gonna check it out. But now we're gonna see if we can fire. Like if I use heavy balls, I won't put 60 in. I'll go to like 50 maybe, like 10-gram balls or something. And yeah, so we pretty much get double shots. I know you can expect around 20, at least 20. Well, with 800 psi, probably 20 to 25 shots. So we should be able to take 50 on now. Either way, you're never ever going to need that, man. I mean, if you need 50 shots, just up your power. You don't need 50 shots. But it's always good to have. It's very intimidating. You feel safe. More guys than one come in, you're not going to run out. You'll just be able to hammer them. Just send them right back out the door. Yeah, guys. 40 to 60 joules with one of these. 60 rounds. Yeah, that's pretty much all you need. You don't even really need any of these scopes. Shoot at the hip. A good laser is really more than you would ever need for indoor use. Like 30 feet, 20 feet, 10 feet realistically. It's just basically point and shoot. But yeah, guys, here's that. This is just for the M17. It'll also go on the VKS. I can also hook up the buttstock air through and have this same. The tank will stay right here, but I'll still have an adjustable stock as well. I'll have on it. But yeah, guys. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this. Oh yeah, it's with 1100 psi tank, it's 100 joules. With this exact setup, you can go see my videos. I have a video where I made it work like that, with 100 joules. And then with a 750 psi tank, we were shooting around 70 or 71 joules. So yeah, this is an 800 psi tank, so I'm expecting maybe around 80 joules, give or take. But yeah, I'm going to be using more like around a 500 psi tank, because I think that's more around the 50 joule, 40, 50, maybe 60 joule mark area. I think Sean Kemper showed in one of his videos. Less Lethal for Dummies. Check him out on YouTube. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this. It also fits on my HDR. I'm going to show it off on the separate video. My HDR, sorry, my HDB. And that's got 30 rounds too, so that needs a nice tank. Otherwise, it's going to be a double setup. The VKS as well, and I have an HDP that has a 27 round magazine as well, that no 13 CI tank of mine can shoot all the rounds. I have a 15 CI carbon tank, but again, I don't know, maybe 25, 30 shots with it. Actually, it is. It's only 850 psi, so you might get a few more. I don't know. I'll figure it. I'll test it out. But yeah, it's very light tank. It's aluminum tank. I mean, it's probably like around a pound it weighs. So, especially with the each tank, it's gonna add a pound of whatever marker you use. So if you have like a 3 pound with scope on it and laser and stuff, HDB 68, well, now you have a 4 pound. It's still very light. Like you start getting heavy once you start getting up around 10 pounds, but I mean, like an AR carbine type build, 7 pounds is perfect. 5 to 7 pounds, it's perfect. Anyways, that's for me, my perfect. You guys stay safe, take care, and have fun.